Create a table. Tables help us to present information in clear and organized way. Text information or numerical data can be presented in vertical or horizontal rows of cells. To add table in document, open the Insert Table dialog box from Insert tab. Set the rows and column number. A table will be available on document and we can type the text by clicking the mouse on desired cell. To adjust the size of cells, move mouse pointer to the line separator and drag mouse to adjust size of column or row. After adjusting column widths, type the text in cells. To add new row or column in same table, right-click the table. Then hover the mouse over Insert to see various row and column options, such as Insert rows above. To delete rows or columns, use Delete option within Table menu or select specific row or column and click on Delete rows or columns as required to be deleted. To delete entire table, select the complete table. Click Layout under Table Tools. Then click Delete in Rows and Columns section and select Delete Table. Under Table menu, options are available for merging or splitting cells. The Table Auto Format option allows us to easily and quickly modify the table by choosing category and table style and click Apply button.